So that's the way I'm gonna teach you PvP tips. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Okay? Enjoy the video. So in the PvP training server, please just patient and wait. Skip if you want. So this PvP tips, like the people in on speed maybe, they don't want to run straight forward. He gonna easy to combo you, and you just die easily. You need to move aside and just hit like that. Hit. You can also do other sides if you want. Boom. Now the settings. I love green a lot, so I just change this dream skin. All my settings. POV 140. Sensitivity 80. Yeah, it's just that. You might need to just like that. You need to focus on the player. So that's all. Stay safe and bye.